Joe Beermaster, we have a 2020 Kia Optima here. This covers multiple years. I'm going to show you how to remove a tail light to change a bulb. First thing you want to do is open the deck lid and remove these trim panels. Take these clips out. They're little clips. We're using a little angle cutter here. All right, once those two are out, you're going to pull this felt cover. You can see there's 10 millimeters in there. We're going to unscrew them 10 millimeters. We're going to unplug this harness here. Press that little button, slide it out. Take these 4 10 millimeters out. There's 2 more back there. They're loose. Just want to wiggle it, and this one popped right out. Usually they're more difficult. You have a little pin there and then a little slide here that gets stuck, so sometimes you have to hit the light to free it, and that's how it's done. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and I just wanted to show you real quick if you want to get these bulbs out. Basically spin these out right here, you turn them. I'm not going to do it right now, and then that socket comes out and there's a light bulb, you pull it out. You can go to your local warehouse, auto supply warehouse, and tell them what it's for, or take the bulb over and they can match it up. Just like a Christmas bulb, very similar. Thanks for watching.